Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? All right, I'm just jumping right on. You guys know that I just love doing that. I hope you guys are doing okay today. In the warehouse again tonight, if those who remember, tonight at 5 p.m. I'm doing a live where you guys can help me stock, get some things put into the shop, especially if the saris need to be done. I do have the cookbook packs as well. I can't wait to show you guys. But first, I have my handyman, my husband down in the shop today, is doing the camera system. So I want to give you guys a peek. I hope you guys can understand what's going on when I show you it. But I wanted a camera system where when I go live, I can have a camera like say on the sewing machine, one on the cutting table, to where I can go from station to station without having to move a camera or hold a camera like this here. I would have a holder over here where it would do it for me. And I can zoom in and adjust lighting and stuff like that. So I'm so excited. I'll show that to you here in a minute. Let me turn this camera around. Good morning again. Hang on. Okay, I hope this better shows it without showing a crazy mess. I was working on the cookbook sets when he started this, so I'll give you, I hope you understand. So this is one side of the warehouse. This is where I do a lot of packaging. It's kind of a mess right now because I had thrown a bunch of stuff on there to clear on the table. Here's one of the table sections. Usually I do the sewing machine right here, but I'm rearranging it where I'll be over there. So here is the electrical panel. That's where I do a lot of work. This TV comes out. It's adjustable. I'll show you. We got insulation coming in here next. So this pulls out and turns, which I'm doing it one-handedly. I'm going to push it all back to the wall. But this whole thing pulls out, swivels, turns. But he's got the electrical panel going to where he's putting electric through this here. I don't know if you can kind of see this without making you too. It's a mess, but we're working it. So he's got this tube here. You can see with electricals going through. Here's the electrical box, which is nice because each one of my stations I can have, say if I have these clamps that hold the cameras. Oops, sorry guys. Let me go ahead and press pause. Again, my handy dandy skills here making you guys all dizzy. So the electric will go into there. It gives me ports to put in electric whenever I need to above for the cameras that will clamp on there. So the cameras I have are camera clamps either on the rods or up there. Which is really nice. So we have to run the electric from the electrical box through here. But yeah, so this is usually where I do a lot of my cutting. This is probably my favorite station right here. And then he's got to get some lights that will come down on each table. So I can kind of give you an idea. Whew, I'm running into all his work. So these, there's the heater. Can't wait to get insulation. We have insulation coming in to where we can close off for the winter months, which is not crazy cold here. All right, hope I can show you. I'm excited. It's so nice because it's now I can do some lives without having to worry about a camera system. It's just going to be in place, ready to go. I just jump on. So I'll have lights that will go over this table, that table, the big long cutting table, and this table. All right, hope you guys kind of understand that. Now I can give you kind of a sneak peek. I guess I could turn some lights on. Let me turn some lights on. Okay, here's some lights. At least we're gonna get more lights coming in. The cookbook packs, guys. Again, announced they'll be released in the shop today, guys. These are the ones that I was delayed on, but as you see in the last video, a lot has happened and it delayed it. But look at the book covers that come with the cookbook packs. I gotta finish up the cookbook packs. Maybe when I go live today, I can finish them up. But look at your choices. The most popular Betty Crocker books. This one here, the spine I put inside of it. But this one is probably the most expensive book if you had it complete and whole, which these were. These here, like this book whole, was like in a $60 range. I took it and tore it for you guys. Yes. Let's see the cookbook pack is going in it. They're going to be 100 pages. And like I told you, for those who watched last videos, they're filled with a bunch of stuff. Look at this one. Here's another popular one. I think this is the 60s. Spine's a little loose on it, but whoever gets it can fix it. And those are the 50s, 60s as well. But he's definitely by far the most expensive book. So what I got to do last is, this is the last. I want to make sure that each pack has at least a cool binder page in there as well. Of course, I'll top it off with a bunch of really cool things. But that's the last what I got to put in the packs. Here's some of the books that I have, not counting the ones that are further in. Hang on here, I'll show you that you get to choose. I think I'm going to, okay, It may be wrong, but I'm thinking $18. I know you were like, gosh, that's cheap, but 100 pages and a book cover, $18. That's what I think I'm going to do, because I want to make it affordable and I want you guys to be able to get what you want. I mean, I got them all for a great price, like I said. So anyways, I'm excited about that. Anywho, and I'm excited about this electrical. I got to watch my steps here. I'm excited I can have my table set up for the machines. And then up next is insulation. I'm excited. This whole side could be insulated off and ready for the winter months. And yes, electric today. So I'm sure he's going to be in here in a minute and he's not going to want to be filmed. But tonight, my goal is the cookbooks, to finish those up with you guys, but to also stock. I definitely would like to get in here and pull some bins and show you how I do it. And I know this in the comments that there's some customers who said they would love to see the pieces opened up, because I know in a listing, I agree, in a listing you can't really see, you know, sizes and stuff. I mean, you only get to see a description of. Another example here is like the 25 large applique packs. And I had them in the shop, but a lot of people don't realize what they are. And here, like, purple needs to be cut, purple and blue. But what we have done in here, let's see here, there's some purples, greens, like, look at, I mean, greens I got plenty of right now. But they're the large appliques. I think they're like 20 bucks for like 25 of them. And they're huge. And they're all, these would be all green. And in here we got blues. Oh, look at the blues. Blues would look to be pretty good. Looks like we need to stock red and I need to stock black. But we have blues and I know we have pinks. So I guess I can go over those with you guys tonight. You comment down below what you like. But either way, I need to go through these packs anyways. Looks like my handyman's here to finish up. And all right, guys, there you go. Made you a little dizzy. At least you guys have an idea what's in the works. And tonight, hopefully we have some camera system up. If not, the next live. You guys have a great day. Bye.